All right, I got something that has been in the mail since Christmas of 2022, and I just went to go check my business mailing box, my business mailbox, and found this. Ooh, little hiveos logo. See some Christmas gifts in the background there. It's appropriate because this is the Merry Christmas box. And they sent so many nice things, a personalized card from the hiveos team, from the hiveon team rather, some personalized stickers from the hiveon team, a little bit of confetti that popped out right there, a custom hiveon tree decoration for your holiday trees, your holiday decorations, or your Christmas tree, and some socks. I'll have to wear those at some point, better late than never, as well as a shirt, rather a hoodie. It's actually a very nice hoodie, a properly embroidered hoodie. This is the kind of merch you actually enjoy wearing. See that? Not a hoodie. It's actually just a sweatshirt. And it says, "Crypto is not dead" on the back. So in embroidered handwriting text right there, embroidered cursive right there on the back. So that looks really, really nice. A little bit of glitter on this thing though, so I might have to wash that before I actually wear it. Hopefully that's the right size. I think it's gonna wind up being okay. And then in the box, little stickers of yours truly. They actually went out of their way to make a proper likeness of Mind Your Biz right there and send me a little, what's this? Oh, yeah. It's a custom drink container thingy. It's actually got a name, and I'm not remembering what that name is because I'm exhausted right now. But this is amazing. Got so many nice little things. Hiveon team, thank you so much. Thank you for your support over the years. You know that when I found your software and the way that you make fleet management of mining hardware, that I immediately saw the value in what you created there. And this is just very heartwarming that you chose to send this. Thank you so much. I will put this on my desk behind where I sit so that it is always visible when I'm doing my media. So appreciate you that much. Thank you again. Also for the custom stickers. I'm going to go leave these all around the world. You think I'm joking, but that's not a joke at all. I'll leave some of these across Europe and Southeast Asia when I get there. So appreciate that. And yeah, Mind Your Biz community. If you haven't already tried out hiveos or hiveon, you can go to hiveos.myb.lol or hiveon.myb.lol, brings you to the same link. Or you can use Mind Your Biz, all one word, as a code for you to get a discount on your use of Hiveon software and firmware. All right, thanks for checking it out, and better late than never. Merry Christmas.